Hi everyone, it's Gabrielle over here at Oxmoor Ford Lincoln today. You guys, I have a very special video for you all. We are going to be taking the all-new 2021 Ford F-150 for a drive. We are going to be throwing up the drone, show you a 360-degree picture of this vehicle. All right, you also, I have Seth here, and he is going to tell us about this vehicle. Seth, go for it.
I'd love to. So for the 2021 Ford F-150 Limited Edition, they did some things that are incredible. They not only gave you a new front grille with a new front camera for your 360-degree camera view on the vehicle, but they also kind of kept the same badging on the front. In addition, we have our projector LED auto lamp headlamps. Now, with those, they are new and they are excellent. They're going to pair with that your signature limited 22-inch aluminum rims. These rims you can only get with this series. Now, to match with that, you have your new badging, of course, for your 2021 F-150 Limited. You have your hideaway running boards in here as well. So when I open up that door, there they come. Now with this vehicle, they not only gave you the two-tone leather with it, but they gave you massaging seats, adjustable pedals, the new Sync 4 technology with it as well. Now with that Sync 4, it's not only going to be completely cordless, but it's also going to be hands-free everything. Once we sync your phone to this technology, you only need to keep your eyes on the road. Now with this vehicle as well, with your second row, they paired it with heated second row bench. Now with your hands-free and your voice activated everything, they want you fully charged. So they peppered this vehicle with every kind of charging port you can think of. From your 110 volt AC adapter to your regular USB ports. Now, this is also a work truck, not only luxury, but work. It's designed for work. So when we hit our back hatch, you're gonna have your active step to step up into the bed of the truck, but they also paired it with measuring devices on the back of the bed and a generator hookup as well. So if you need to power anything on the work site, this truck will do it. They gave you some LED lamps in your box to light everything up. Now with your step, easy breezy. You're literally just going to pull that out, pull up your arm, and step up into the truck.
All right, so Seth, we are in the truck. Can you tell everybody some of the features?
Absolutely. So this year, they've kind of changed some of their layout for the vehicle. Not only do you have your gap distance and your lane keeping on the actual steering wheel, but you have your hands-free talking person where when we press that, you get to either do your hands-free calls or your hands-free navigation. Now with this as well, they want your eyes on the road. So not only voice-activated navigation, but they want hands-free everything. So you're going to have everything up here for your four-wheel drive and your different drive modes as far as your 2 high, your 4 high. You're also going to have your heated and cooled seating on both seats for the front, your heated steering wheel. In addition, you have dual climate control, so both parties in the front seat can be at their own temperature. With your new 12-inch display, not only do you have different camera features as far as your 360 camera view, but you have your front view, your back view, and side views as well, which you can change to your liking. Now with this as well, you are going to have everything from navigation to your massaging seats in here as well. You're going to be able to personalize the vehicle completely to yourself as far as colors in your cup holders, colors for accent lighting in the vehicle as well. Now it will be coming with a fold-away shifter that actually, if you have paperwork to do and you need this space, you can fold that down. In addition, with your hands-free stuff, they want everything fully charged. So you have a wireless charging port to accompany all your charging ports throughout the vehicle.
So I have noticed that there's some really cool texture kind of going on here. What is that?
This is a new accent a new metal accent that they put in the vehicle to accompany not only your new limited badging throughout the vehicle. For instance, to accompany this, they gave you your limited badging on the steering wheel with your new design on the inside and then your metal accents on the outside. But in addition to that, they gave you, just like with your King Ranch trim, your limited badging, VIN specific on your 2021 models, as well as number specific for the vehicle. Now with that, they also gave you a panoramic Vista sunroof. Now these roofs are fantastic. They really open up the cabin. With them, they open up completely over the first row, but they really open up the cabin as far as taking up the whole ceiling of the cabin.
All right, well, let's take it for a spin.
That sounds good. So with this vehicle, not only did they give you a seamless 10-speed transmission, but they also gave you a completely digital display cluster in the vehicle. Now with this display cluster, not only will it post your speed limit sign through the camera in the front bumper, but it will also, if I'm setting a gap distance for the vehicle ahead of me or setting my cruise control or my lane keeping, it'll all post up there, as well as my parking brake. Now when I turn my left-hand signals, everything's a lot tighter than last year as far as your gears or your turn signal shifter and even your steering column. It just feels a lot tighter, a little more luxurious than the 2020 models. Now they list not only your miles per gallon on your cluster, but they're also doing your digital RPM gauge and your digital speedometer. Now this vehicle is going to come equipped with all your drive features as far as your blind spot monitoring and your cross traffic alert system, or even your pedestrian alert system for your front end collision. It will let you know if something's anywhere around you. It'll give you audio and visual warnings.
All right, now I have noticed that it's very smooth. I've been in trucks before and it's like, you know, it's a bumpy ride and not the most comfortable, but this really feels luxury.
I couldn't agree more. Actually, it almost seems like they took a page out of Lincoln. You really have a luxurious, smooth ride considering you're in a work truck, as well as your noise cancellation. It's a very quiet ride. Usually with some of the other competitors, you might have some road noise from the tires or something, even wind. But with this, it's extremely quiet, which is really a crowd shocker.
I agree.
Now this vehicle we're coming up to a stop sign, so I'm going to go ahead and stop. The vehicle does come equipped with pulse braking system, which will make those back brake lights flash 3 times, then stay on. It's a new safety feature that they've rolled out through the National Transportation and Safety Board. So what they did with your 2021 model, they did give you different sources of music. Not only do you have your Bluetooth, but it comes with 6 months of Sirius radio. Now, in a quiet cabin, what better to accompany it with a Bang & Olufsen sound system. Now, with that, you can hear a pin drop in the cabin, but you want the best sound for whether it be music or talk radio, whatever floats your boat. So they gave you not only Bluetooth, AM, FM, but they also gave you Sirius radio.
All right, thanks everyone for going on the drive of the all-new, beautiful Ford F-150. Seth, thank you so much for going over all of that. So thanks, you guys. Now, if you have any questions or if you'd like to stop in, please let us know. All of our contact information is right here. Thanks, everyone. Bye.